holding a book I have here because we're going to do a song from our new CD which we did for the Grand Lodge of Ireland, and this song is about a wee thing that happened not too far from here, and it's very poignant memory. It's called the Battle of Garvagh, and I had to learn it in a day and I didn't learn it properly, so we're going to have to sort of do it now with the words in front of me. So here's the Battle of Garvagh. 1, 2, 3, 4. The day before the July fair, the ribbon men did all prepare for 3 days round to wreck and tear and burn the town of Garvagh. The Tory whistle loud and shrill, we heard it o'er the high morn hill. Full hungry boys will slay and kill the Protestants in Garvagh. The day came on, they did repair and multitudes to Garvagh fair. Some travelled 30 miles or more to burn the town of Garvagh. They all appeared in greatest haste, white handkerchiefs tied round their waist, with their jackets we did soundly baste that July fair in Garvagh. Straight away we went, for aid but none to us they sent. The bloody crew all to prevent from their design in Garvagh. The Protestants and Orange men like brothers, they did assemble then to keep the town was their desire or die like men in Garvagh. Shots of no avail, and orange bullets flew like hell, while ribbon men soon turned their tail, deadly wounds from Garvagh. They gave the word to clear the street, while numbers flew like hunted sheep. The Protestants did papist fleets and Davidsons in Garvagh. Mark what followed this affray. They thought to swear our lives away. To jail we went without delay, for we had no guards from Garvagh. The horrid oaths against us swore, such swearing you never heard before. McCluskey swore 3 hours or more against the boys of Garvagh. Judge, he would then us condemn, had it not been for our jurymen. Our grateful thanks is due to them, declared the boys of Garvagh. Thanks and praise will tender still to Mr. Price and brave George Hill. The bearers forged for a friend still, for they cleared